Hi everybody, welcome back to Outside Office Hours. If you've seen the channel, you know we love car camping, and the Luno Air+Foam mattress is one of our favorite items to help us get a good night's sleep when we're camping, especially in the car. So today, we're gonna show you how to set it up. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure your back seats are folded down in a small SUV, and then I actually have this back seat extender here that fills the gap between the folded down back seats and the front seats. You can check out these on Amazon, we'll put the link in the description. Fun fact, you don't actually need this with the Luno Air+Foam, but I still like to recommend it because if you have the single Air+Foam mattress, then this thing still covers, the other side of the car. So the first thing you're going to want to do is unfold and unroll your Luno Air mattress. So I'm going to do that here from the back and slide it on up to the front. So you'll notice the Luno Air+Foam mattress has an in valve here and an out valve here. For inflating and doing the self-inflating, we're gonna wanna open the in valve. And we're gonna let it self-inflate for a little bit. We'll time it and see how long this takes. Self-inflating in progress. One thing I wanted to note while the mattress is inflating is that if your back seats don't lay perfectly flat when you lay them down, you may want to put something here in the trunk space to help even out the elevation. We use a moving blanket. So just another recommendation for when camping in your car. So after about 3 minutes, the Luno mattress was pretty well self-inflated, but now we're going to finish inflating it using this air roll bag. So once you're done self-inflating, you can use this air roll bag to help finish inflating your mattress. You're gonna wanna make sure you connect it to the in valve, and you just plug this in here. Make sure it's latched in. So all you're gonna wanna do is give this a little puff of air, seal it up, and then roll the bag. Unroll, another puff of air, and roll until it's as inflated as you want it. When you're done with your air roll bag, you can just go ahead and disconnect it from the in valve and make sure you close your in valve. So I mentioned earlier I have this back seat extender here that fills the gap, but with the Luno Air mattress you don't actually need it, and that's because it comes with its own for a single side. So this here clips beneath the mattress right there and around your headrest, and it fills the gap and connects directly to the mattress. It has some great pockets here that is where we keep wallet, keys, any kind of quick access items while we're sleeping. And when you're finally done and ready to pack up, just like self-inflating, there is a self-deflating valve that says out. Just go ahead and pull that tab, and the mattress will deflate. It'll get most of the way there, but you'll definitely want to, roll it and squeeze some of the air out. So once you've rolled up your Luno mattress, that backseat extender that looped around your headboard is also the carrying case. So you can go ahead, wrap it around there, and it'll connect. And it has a handle right here that you can use to carry it. We hope you found this video useful and you consider checking out this Luno Air mattress. You can look at it in the Amazon link in the description of the video below. And if you did find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow this community. Thank you.